Sick of hunting for Wi-Fi hotspots everywhere you go? Imagine having a dependable internet connection right in your pocket, available anytime, anywhere. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to turn your Xiaomi phone into a powerful portable hotspot. So let's dive right in. First, take your Xiaomi phone and open the Settings app. Then, tap on Portable Hotspot. Next, select Setup Portable Hotspot. Now in the SSID field, type the name you want for your hotspot. Next, in the password field, create a strong password to prevent unauthorized access to your data. Now, if you want to enhance your security, tap on Security and choose the WPA3 protocol. After that, hit the checkmark button. Now toggle on the portable hotspot and you'll be able to use it from other devices. And that's how you set up a portable hotspot on your Xiaomi phone. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more tips and tricks on Xiaomi phones, subscribe to the channel because there is a lot more coming your way. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!